Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can fix 403 error forbidden problem. So for that, you're gonna have to check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi. Next step, head over to your browser. Then select this three dot icon from your top right hand side. Scroll all the way below, select settings. Under settings, select privacy and security. Here go for third-party cookies. Now scroll below, select See All Site Data and Permissions. In here, you can either delete all the data, which is in my case 210 MB, or in case you're having trouble with any of the sites, you may go ahead, search for it here like YouTube, and simply delete the data for YouTube. Once you have done that, scroll below again, select Extensions. Now, there might be a lot of extensions in your PC. If you think you might not need all of them, go ahead and remove those whom you might not need. And as you do that, you're going to have to restart your device, launch your Chrome again, and it will fix your problem. Thanks for watching.